Alors, qu'est-ce que tu vas faire?
Alors je vais ouvrir ici, là je vais ouvrir comme ça et les pigeons vont partir.
Et où vont aller?
Ah, tu vas les voir partir, c'est tout, ils s'en vont.
À rentrer chez vous?
Ouais. Tu dis quand je peux ouvrir.
Ouvrir?
Et j'en ai d'autres.
Et alors, où ont-ils allé?
Comment?
Où ont-ils allé?
Ils vont aller au même endroit. Tu dis?
Et le plus loin qu'ils ont allé retourner chez vous, c'est quoi?
Barcelone.
Day 37, 38. I had an amazing night yesterday. Got in to a friend of my sister's, Laura's parents' house in Saint-Omer about 5-6 o'clock after doing 36k. Was welcomed with a bottle of champagne, looked really nice. Blanc on blanc, I don't really know exactly what it means, but it was bloody delicious. Got completely pissed with about a glass and a half. Amazing food, and went to bed at 9. And had a really good stroke alert this morning as well. Laura's stepdad is a member of the Rotary Club, so I went to see, car coming, hold on. Yeah, Laura's stepdad is a member of the Rotary Club, so got to meet the local president, who's put me in touch with the governor, given me a book of every single member of the Rotary Club in France, name and address. So hoping to get lots of places to stay and maybe raise a bit of money for the charity. So good stuff. Today I've already done about 6-7k on my way to Terouanne, where I need to buy some water because I'm running out. And then after that it'll be Auchy-au-Bois or something like that, God knows. But yeah, the sun's shining. I've had a decent breakfast and a good 7 or 8 hours of walking ahead. Yeah.